Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do a factory reset on your WITHINGS BPM Core. To do a factory reset, you would need to go to the WITHINGS app first, then tap on devices in the top right, then find your device and scroll down to the very bottom. Then tap Disassociate this product and then remove from my account or remove from all other accounts. I will remove it from all other accounts first. Now you can see it's not yet removed, right? I can click on it again. Now go to Disassociate this product, remove from my account. And now you should go to your Bluetooth settings on your phone, go to settings, then find Bluetooth, find the device. I don't see the device, so maybe it's not already not here. I'm not really sure because this phone is quite weird, honestly. But never mind. Okay, but if there was the device, then you should forget it by going into the device settings in Bluetooth and clicking on Forget Device or Remove. Then you should reset the device by holding the button for 6 seconds until training is displayed on the screen. Yeah, let's do it. Let's hold the button. Let's keep on holding. Okay, now there's training. You can slide to do like quit, training, info, setting, update or reset, and then click on the button to approve, right? Sorry, you should press and hold. Now there's reset in 5, so let's do like 5 times on the button. And now it's being reset. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.